Today we're comparing two strong feature-rich term plans, ICICI Prudential iProtect Smart Plus and Bajaj eTouch 2. By the end of the video, you'll know which one you should opt for because we'll see what features they have, what riders they have, discounts available, variants, and finally how much they will cost you. Hello folks, I'm Shashank and you're watching Ditto Insurance. We've helped over 8 lakh Indians choose the right term plans through spam-free honest advice from our IDI certified advisors. Both ICICI Prudential and Bajaj Life are our partner insurers and among our top recommendations, but like always, this is going to be a completely unbiased comparison based solely on features, performance, and value. If you want personalized help determining which plan suits your specific situation, book a free consultation using the link in the description. Alright, now let's start with the performance metrics of these two insurers. The data that you see on your screen covers 2022 to 2025 averages, except for the amount settlement ratio, which spans from 2021 to 24. Now, what immediately stands out is that both insurers demonstrate strong operational performance, but with different emphasis areas. Bajaj marginally has a better CSR and notably lower complaint volumes compared to ICICI's 11, making Bajaj one of the cleanest performers in the industry on service quality front. The business volume differential shows ICICI's significantly larger market presence, but metrics-wise, both are solid, so you can pick any. Now, onto eligibility and basic structure. ICICI allows entry from age 18 to 65 with coverage extending to similar maturity ages as Bajaj, which offers entry from 18 to 65 with maximum maturity at 99. Now, Bajaj offers multiple premium payment options including yearly, half-yearly, quarterly, or monthly, but ICICI does not have quarterly payment mode. Now, this provides flexibility based on your cash flow preferences. You can choose between single pay, limited pay options including pay till age 60 or regular pay structures in both of these plans. Both plans accept salaried and self-employed individuals, though they are subject to medical and financial underwriting to determine eligibility and pricing. The minimum sum assured starts at 50 lakh rupees typically with no strict upper cap for either, though underwriting determines final coverage based on your income, age, education, and health profile. Okay, now let's examine the benefit variant structures these plans offer. ICICI iProtect Smart Plus provides 3 key benefit variants. The life option pays a lump sum death benefit if the insured passes away. The Life Plus option adds an additional accidental death benefit on top of the base death benefit if death is due to an accident, with both components fixed at purchase. The life rebalancing option starts with both base cover and accidental death benefit, but the ADB reduces after 10th year, though this variant is not currently live. Bajaj eTouch 2 offers 3 main variants. Life Shield is the base plan covering standard death benefit. Life Shield Plus adds accidental death benefit to the base cover paid on top if death is accidental. Life Shield return on premium gives your premiums back if you survive the policy term, though this significantly increases costs and may not be the most efficient use of funds. A quick look into the built-in features now. ICICI iProtect Smart Plus includes terminal illness benefit that pays a full sum assured immediately if diagnosed with a terminal illness certified by 2 doctors with less than 6 months to live. Life stage protection allows you to increase your cover at major life events, marriage up to 50%, first and second childbirth 25% each, or home loan disbursement up to 100% increase, though conditions apply, including the proposer must be under 50, only the regular premium payment, and subject to financial underwriting. Smart Exit provides zero cost exit after completing 25 policy years once you're 60 years. Your premiums excluding riders are returned and cover ends, though you can't use this in the last 5 years. Premium break lets you defer premiums for 1 year after 5 years while continuing coverage. Can't be used during the last 3 years. Requires 5 years gap between breaks, and deferred premiums must be paid with next due premium, though this benefit can be availed multiple times. Insta payout on claim intubation pays 3 lakh rupees with 1 working day of necessary claim documents being submitted if policy has 1 crore cover or more, helping family meet immediate expenses. This is only available after 3-year waiting period though. Bajaj eTouch 2 includes terminal illness benefit paying up to 2 crore rupees from base sum assured if diagnosed with terminal illness certified by 2 doctors with less than 6 months to live. Zero cost exit allows exiting anytime during the first 5 years after you turn 60 and getting back all premiums paid excluding rider amounts as long as policy term is at least 35 years and maturity age is at least 70. Life stage benefit increases cover at major events. Marriage by 50% of sum assured or 50 lakhs, whichever is lower. First or second child by 25% of sum assured or 25 lakh rupees, whichever is lower each. Home loan disbursed by 25% of sum assured or 50 lakhs, whichever is lower. And education loan for children by 25% of sum assured or 25 lakh rupees, whichever is lower. Now, the proposer must be under 45 and apply within 6 months of the event. Waiver of premium coverage means if you suffer accidental total permanent disability or are diagnosed with terminal illness, future premiums are waived off and cover continues. There's also auto cover continuation, which lets you defer premium payments payments for up to 12 months during financial difficulties with no interest or late fees. This is usable multiple times with 5-year gaps between uses, and this is available after first 3 policy years. Instant payout on claim intimation gives nominee 2 lakh rupees from base sum assured within 3 working days of claim registration with necessary documents for policies with 50 lakh rupees or more sum assured with 1-year waiting period. Bajaj also provides complimentary health management services valued up to 36,500 rupees per year, including fitness tracking, expert consultations, nutrition and mental wellness programs, and teleconsultations. Women policy holders get added benefits like annual health checkups, pregnancy OPD wallet, specialist consultations, and emotional wellness support through its app. The key differences emerge in implementation details. ICICI allows multiple premium breaks over policy lifetime with specific gap requirements and offers up to 100% increase for home loans, while Bajaj caps increase at 50 lakh rupees. Bajaj includes built-in waiver of premium, but ICICI doesn't offer it as a standard benefit currently. Bajaj's wellness ecosystem is comprehensive for holistic health, while ICICI focuses purely on protection features. Okay, now let's compare the optional riders that both plans offer, because this is where you can customize protection beyond basic death benefit. ICICI offers critical illness rider covering 20 or 60 illnesses where lump sum is paid on diagnosis in addition to the term cover valid for 20 years with 90-day waiting period and 15-day survival clause. And this is non-accelerated, so base cover stays intact. They also offer accidental death rider, providing extra lump sum if death is due to accident within 180 days. Though since accidental deaths are already covered under base policy, this rider adds limited value and may not justify additional cost. Hence, we don't actively recommend that. Bajaj offers premium holiday rider, allowing you to skip paying premiums for 1, 2, or 3 years as chosen at purchase. First holiday allowed after 5 years, with subsequent ones every 5 years. And if unused, Bajaj waives off last few premiums as per what you opted. Critical illness rider has 3 levels covering 10, 25, or 60 illnesses with 90-day waiting periods and 14-day survival clause. 20-year term with payout over and above base term cover, keeping base intact. However, if you're confused about which riders actually make sense for your situation and which ones are just expensive add-ons, book a free consultation with our advisors using the link in the description. We'll help you understand which policy works the best for you. Now, Bajaj also offers Family Protect rider, where if you pass away or suffer ATPD, that is accidental total permanent disability, parents receive 105% of the rider premiums plus monthly income for life, though this only makes sense if your parents are financially dependent and alive, and compared to increasing base sum cover, this may not always be cost effective. Accidental death benefit rider provides additional sum assured for accidental death, available only in the Life Shield Plus variant only. Both plans offer comprehensive critical illness coverage with flexible tier options. Bajaj's premium holiday rider provides unique flexibility for financial disruptions that ICICI doesn't match with equivalent offering. Now, both insurers offer riders that we don't actively recommend, like accidental death benefits, duplicating base coverage. Now, let's examine how the nominee can receive the death benefit under these plans. ICICI iProtect Smart Plus offers 4 payout options for life and life plus variants. Lump sum pays the full amount at once. Income option pays 10% annually for 10 years. Lump sum plus income lets you choose a percentage as lump sum with rest paid monthly over 10 years. Increasing income grows payout 10% each year for 10 years with total payout at 145% of sum assured. Now, at Ditto, we generally recommend lump sum since it's usually more flexible, especially for managing debts, investments, or big one-time expenses. You can take the lump sum, use money for immediate expenses, deposit in bank account, or if needed, even in fixed deposits, as it's the simplest investment option. Bajaj eTouch 2 offers similar payout flexibility except for the increasing income version. Now let's talk about discounts, because these can significantly impact your first year premiums. ICICI offers 12.5% discount on first year premium for salaried individuals going with regular pay, 15% for limited pay, and 1 to 5% online discount depending on age, sum assured, and payment frequency. Bajaj provides 5% salary discount, 5% first-time buyer discount, 6% digital discount, all applicable for the first-year premiums, 1% existing customer discount, and 4% Bajaj staff discount. Now, most of these stack except first-time buyer and existing customer discount, where only one applies. Now, both insurers incentivize online purchases and recognize lower risk profiles of salaried individuals. ICICI's limited pay discount is higher at 15% compared to Bajaj stackable discounts that can reach higher combined percentages. Bajaj rewards existing relationships and staff members specially. Okay, now let me pull up the premiums on the screen. Take a look at the different price points for different profiles. What's immediately clear is Bajaj's consistent pricing advantage across every profile segment that we've analyzed. The gaps aren't marginal, they're substantial enough to compound significantly over decades of premium payment, making Bajaj the clear winner on pure affordability metrics. For young professionals in their 20s, the savings are particularly pronounced, while even for mid-career buyers with higher coverage needs, Bajaj maintains lower premiums. ICICI remains competitive and positioned in the mid-range among major insurers, but can't match Bajaj's aggressive pricing. But here's a trade-off to consider. Bajaj achieves these lower premiums while maintaining exceptional operational metrics that we discussed earlier, so you're not sacrificing quality for affordability. ICICI justifies the slightly higher pricing through broader digital infrastructure and larger urban market presence that some buyers may value. So, folks, neither plan is expensive by market standards, but Bajaj consistently delivers better value on premium front when features and coverages are held relatively equal. If pure cost optimization is your primary driver, Bajaj edges ahead decisively. If you value ICICI's specific digital ecosystem or existing banking relationships, the premium gap may be acceptable trade-off. And folks, if you're still trying to figure out which plan makes more sense for your specific age, income level, family structure, and financial goals, don't decide blind. Book a free one-on-one call with Ditto, and our advisors will help you without any spam. The link is in the description. Also, folks, remember that no plan is universally the best. What works for you depends on your specific needs, life stage, and financial circumstances. The key is understanding the trade-offs and choosing consciously rather than defaulting to whatever agent happens to call you first or whichever advertisement you saw most recently. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy insurance hunting.